Good day everybody, today in front of us we have this Realme 9 smartphone and we are going to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. First of all, you gotta somehow go for the Wi-Fi settings page, either directly from the settings app or by swiping downwards from the top part of your display in order for the notification and control center to appear. Here, expand the shortcuts menu, look for the Wi-Fi shortcut that looks just like this, tap and hold, and here choose what network you would like to share the password of. In my case, I'll go with this HardReset.Info _5G Wi-Fi network. Tap on it. Here, tap on this Wi-Fi QR code section, and as you will see, right below the network name, it will contain the actual network password. That is hard reset, so you can either manually find this network on the other device and manually enter the password, or you can take the device, as in my case is going to be this Nokia Android smartphone, and scan the QR code. And well, after you scan it, obviously your device that you would like to share the Wi-Fi password network with will be automatically connected to this network. For scanning the QR code, I'll use the built-in Google Lens, so let me open it. Next, I'll frame this QR code. Once it gets recognized, I'll tap on it, wait for this Join Network button to appear, tap on the button, and as you will see now, our Nokia phone will be successfully connected to the HardReset.Info 5G network. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!